45-year-old single mum of 3 neurodivergent children, trying to rebuild my life after leaving a relationship that completely broke me and nearly killed both me and my children. Most days feel like survival mode. People online make life look so easy. Mine really isn't. But I'm still here, still trying.
Hey, so I decided to start this channel because every time I look for self-help or life vlogs, all I am finding is 20-somethings talking about how to make your life better so you can eventually find the perfect partner, or family videos showing only the good parts and making their life look perfect and happy. There was no one actually showing the real life of surviving trauma with children who are also suffering because they went through that as well. There is no one showing just how hard life is when you literally are completely alone with no one to help, no one to carry the load, not even for like 2 minutes so you can go for a poo on your own. It's been 3 years since we last had any contact with my ex-partner, and yeah, we are definitely still suffering from what we went through. Sorry very much. But we're finally starting to get the help that we need. We're finally starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm finally starting to feel able to open up a little bit more about sort of what we went through and our story. And I know I cannot be the only one that is living like this. So this channel is just going to be me trying to rebuild my life slowly, not perfectly. Not by any means is it going to be perfect, but however long it takes, I'm going to do it, and hopefully you will join me.
Doing nails is one thing that I'm trying to grow, because I need something that's just mine. Not just getting through the day, but actually building something for the future. I don't know if this is going to work, but I know I'm going to give it my best.
So today was just a normal day. Nothing special, nothing perfect. But a few years ago, I didn't even think I'd get this far. So if you're watching this and your life feels like you're trying to start over again, you're trying to start later in life, just so you know you're not alone. I am right here with you, and we can do this together. We can change and fix.
got through today. And right now, that's enough.